You get abacha and you get abacha, and this very abacha now for men and women wey sabi. So please, before we proceed, grab your bottle of palm wine for stepping it down. If this is your first time in this channel, you're very welcome. Please do consider subscribing and turning on your notification bell. Trust me, you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos. And for my return subscribers, you're welcome back. So here are the list of ingredients. So here we've got abacha. This is what it looks like in dry form and is made from cassava roots. Next ingredient is oil bean, popularly known as obaka or ugba by the Igbos. Here we've got some garden eggs. Feel free to use any type of garden egg you want. Here we've got smoked fish, pomo, and onions. Feel free to add any other meat, maybe stockfish. Here we've got scotch bonnet peppers. We've got 2 pieces of African nutmeg. I've gone ahead to roast and peel it, and I'm trying to show you what it looks like in raw form in case you don't know it. So here I've got roughly blended crayfish, salt, and a seasoning cube. We've got some leaves here. This is otazi. So bad, I don't know what it's called in English. So if you know the English name, please drop it in the comment section. I'm eager to know. Here we've got some red oil. We've got ncha. I don't know what it's called in English. It's either ncha or ungo, but you'll see the magic it will do. So we'll start by soaking our dry abacha in a hot water. So I'll just fill it up with hot water, cover, and set it aside for it to soften completely. So in my mortar, I'll add the African nutmeg and I'll grind it to powder. To that, I'll add my red oil, add my ungo. This is what does the magic. You see, it will turn the red oil to yellow, kind of. So this is the function of the ncha or ungo. So you can go ahead and use akam if you wish, but ungo, from what we were told, is healthier than akam. So go ahead and add until you are satisfied. To that, I'll add my roughly blended scotch bonnet pepper, add my ground crayfish, so I'll add my abacha. As you can see, it has softened completely, and I've gone ahead to wash and sieve it. So I'll just add it. Add your oil bean and stir. To that, I'll add my garden egg. So I ended up using only 2 of the garden egg. I didn't use the 4. To that, I'll add my chopped onions. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment for us in the comment section and click on that red subscribe button to get yourself subscribed. That's if you're yet to do so. That will go a long way in supporting this channel, and trust me, it won't cost an extra data. It's 100% free. I'll add my salt and I'll add my seasoning cube and stir properly. So go ahead and taste for salt. So it's perfect. If yours is not okay, go ahead and add a little more salt to it. Yeah, I can really sabi men and women no. So now it's time to add any kind of meat you are using. Are you using stockfish? Okporoko? Are you using beef? Pomo? Fish? Is the right time to throw them in. But I'll be setting my fish aside for topping. I hope your chilled palm wine is ready. Oh, near you go no. Onyelicha omecha no aka. You know, in the village, we don't stir this with spoon, no, and I warrior with aka. So go ahead and add your utazi. Don't forget to drop the English name in the comment section if you know it. I'm eager to know the English name. Abacha is being enjoyed by almost every Nigerian and is perfect for occasions ranging from child dedication, wedding, naming ceremony, name it. You can serve it, and trust me, the elders won't take this for granted. Go ahead and serve with chilled palm wine. And don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button. Until my next video. Bye-bye.